Audio content from Panasonic. Smart answers to tough problems. Today, we're going to share with you some practical guidance about critical wireless connectivity. It's designed to help you evaluate and select mobile devices that can stand up to rugged workplace conditions and help keep you connected. We'll share a handy checklist to help you evaluate connectivity capabilities for mobile workers in rugged environments. Let's get started. Let's talk a little bit about reliable wireless connectivity. Businesses with mobile workforces rely on wireless connectivity to communicate with headquarters, colleagues, customers, sensors, and other data processing devices. Where many mobile devices fail is in reliably maintaining these connections, especially for those employees who work in extreme environments. These workers may encounter dead spots and signal interference in warehouses, or experience spotty coverage while transporting goods or racing to an emergency location that crosses networks. And if you're like most organizations, your connectivity needs are most likely complex and varied. Still, success comes down to two things: device reliability and connectivity reach. Panasonic has developed a relationship with Verizon, so Toughbook mobile devices can deliver this 1-2 punch for businesses in nearly any type of rugged environment. To help you navigate your connectivity performance for mobile devices that will be used in harsh environments, I'm going to walk through 8 considerations. 8 considerations may sound like a lot, but we'll go through them one by one. Number 1. A layered approach to connectivity. Given the critical nature of the work, many organizations using ruggedized mobile devices depend on several layers of connectivity enhancements to keep teams linked to applications and headquarters. Panasonic Toughbook devices support this multi-layered approach and are designed and manufactured to deliver on high-speed connectivity needs by using high-performing wireless modules and antenna systems, and make network handoff smooth and secure by enabling seamless connections between cell sites and Wi-Fi access points. Number 2. Reliable connectivity. Organizations that want to connect their mobile workforce wirelessly have the flexibility to do so with any Toughbook mobile device. All Panasonic devices have been certified to operate with Verizon, allowing them to connect securely and reliably. This long-standing relationship integrates the carrier's flexible wireless technology with the launch and support of the Panasonic Toughbook devices. In addition, Panasonic can facilitate the device activations with Verizon, either on an account-wide basis or by each worker, providing the right solutions for your business needs. Number 3. Connectivity components with interference protection. A dedicated team of wireless engineers at Panasonic custom selects the wireless modules, and then designs and tests the placement of the antenna in the device to make sure the connectivity performance meets or exceeds the leading carrier's wireless network requirements. Our experience in wireless design has led to innovative antenna placement and wiring path design. That way, we can optimize performance and protect against internal and external interference. Radio frequency interference, or RFI, and electromagnetic interference, often referred to as EMI, are both caused by the noise and heat coming from a device's CPU or other internal components. These are common culprits that can negatively impact performance and slow transmission speeds. Heat can also create frequency shifts, causing communication drops and poor connectivity, as well as internal device degradation over time. The design of the device and the quality of its wireless components affect the amount of interference experienced. Many mobile computing device manufacturers use USB modems, making them vulnerable to bumps, disconnects, and other damage. So here's the thing about USB modems. They're more susceptible to environmental interference in a transmission area, resulting in poor reception. Instead, Panasonic uses advanced, integrated wireless technology and embedded antennae to minimize, if not eliminate, interference problems in Toughbook devices. Panasonic embedded antennae are located next to the LCD screen and away from internal components to shield against internal interference caused by noise and heat and to help ensure unblocked wireless transmissions. In addition, the antenna does not rely on an external PC card, which are susceptible to damage and interference that can result in poor connection performance. Number 4. Proven wireless performance testing. Panasonic performs rigorous testing of its embedded wireless modules and their antennae, operating one of the industry's largest anechoic chambers for testing. This yields a number of benefits. The state-of-the-art chamber blocks unwanted radio signals and interference, producing a controlled environment for testing RFI signals on Toughbook wireless products. By precisely measuring the amount of electromagnetic radiation produced by Toughbook mobile computers, anechoic chamber testing enables engineers to maximize wireless performance. Over-the-air (OTA) tests are also performed in the chamber, including tests for total isotropic sensitivity (TIS) and total radiated power (TRP), which help to improve antennae performance. Testing is performed in heat, cold, rain, and other real-world conditions, helping test engineers to evaluate wireless driver performance, connection manager software performance, and variable environmental and network conditions that users commonly encounter while traveling. The results of these tests help Panasonic RF, or radio frequency, engineers isolate and address problem areas before the final design is approved for manufacturing. These tests also help ensure that customers have access to robust, consistent connections across a wide range of industries and environmental settings. All right, we're halfway through our 8 considerations. Let's jump into the last 4. Number 5. Rugged reliability. Panasonic Toughbook laptops have an average failure rate of 2.5%, far outpacing the 11% industry average failure rate of consumer devices, and twice as dependable as the 4 to 6% failure rate of other rugged devices. But Panasonic reliability goes beyond the device, providing peace of mind through comprehensive warranty plans and technical support. Panasonic's standard warranty protects your Toughbook rugged laptops, tablets, and handhelds from manufacturing defects for 3 years and includes a priority parts exchange program and repair service at no cost. This service plan also provides lifetime access to US-based technical support, online access to drivers, first aid discs, BIOS updates, tools, utilities, and manuals, free overnight delivery of customer replaceable parts and repaired units, access to Panasonic field service personnel, and optional extended warranty coverage and protection services. Number 6. Secure wireless connections. Panasonic supplies rugged industries with highly reliable wireless devices that also enable access to data through secure connections on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile broadband. Panasonic Toughbook devices activated with wireless service from Verizon ensure that customers are empowered by a network that is available when they need it. Verizon works to protect its network against outside attacks, tampering, malicious activity, and network events that may in any way disrupt or degrade customers' ability to use Verizon data services. Every day, Verizon seeks to maintain the highest levels of network reliability and performance. Verizon guards against traffic patterns that appear to be associated with disruptive or malicious intent. Panasonic can also provide data and device protection through its partnership with Absolute Software. Its Absolute Persistence software is embedded in the device firmware and provides self-healing, two-way connections for endpoint visibility and control, defense against threats, guaranteed connections on or off network, and remediation of events. Easy-to-deploy Absolute for Android software is available for all Android devices and offers similar protections, assessing vulnerabilities, and providing proof of compliance. Number 7. Pre-sales support and field testing services. The industry-leading Panasonic Pro Services team is a U.S.-based network of knowledgeable experts with deep industry experience. Panasonic can work with you to help design your solution and choose a device, software, and services that are fine-tuned to your business applications. Our field engineers can help test and streamline your deployment to make sure you have the right mobile solution to keep workers connected and productive. Number 8. Future outlook. Next-generation wireless technologies are constantly evolving, so it is critical that your mobility partner is ahead of the connectivity curve. Panasonic can help you transition to new capabilities as they come into the market. To keep ahead of new demands for connectivity and communication, we are always closely watching and testing new technologies. As customers add more devices and find more ways to use them, Verizon is constantly adapting its networks to meet customer needs. Since 2000, Verizon has invested more than $145 billion to meet today's surging demand for wireless data and video, and to get the network ready for 5G wireless technology. Field operations demand reliability and robust connectivity nationwide. Verizon networks help keep personnel connected. As new network capabilities continue to roll out, Panasonic is working closely with Verizon to help organizations future-ready their technology investment while helping them connect reliably to the Verizon network today. 5G network technology has been rolled out in a number of markets, bringing faster speeds and new capabilities to mobile devices. Verizon built its own 5G technology to accelerate testing and drive the development of a worldwide 5G standard. Verizon continues to work with technology partners to further advance 5G technology and reach important milestones on the path to full deployment, both in the lab and, most importantly, in the real world, where it matters most. IoT, augmented reality, and streaming video capabilities are becoming more important in some industries and require high-performance computing power and reliable, high-quality connectivity. That concludes our 8 practical considerations. With this information, you have the insights needed to help you select mobile devices that can stay connected as well as stand up to the rugged conditions of the workplace. Coming up next, an evaluation checklist to help you choose the right connectivity capabilities. Here's a handy checklist that you can use to help you evaluate connectivity capabilities for mobile workers in rugged environments. First, look for mobile laptops, tablets, and handhelds that are tested and have third-party validations for meeting the MIL STD 810G standards. Second, make sure the device supports reliable connections in all types of environments and gives users the ability to easily switch communication modes. Third, devices should be wirelessly enabled with a carrier that provides both the communication reliability and security required for mobile workers to effectively do their jobs. Fourth, approach security as a multifaceted attribute. Look for security that protects connectivity as well as device access and the data stored on the device. Fifth, check with the manufacturer to review its failure rates and wireless testing results. The dependability of wireless and GPS capabilities is perhaps the most important criterion for judging a rugged mobile device. Sixth, look closely at the manufacturer's warranty plan. What are the service levels and guidelines for repairs and replacement parts? The availability of a technical support hotline and next-level field service personnel. Seventh, keep an eye on the future. Some key questions to ask. Can the device support new technologies that you may adopt in your organization in the near future? Does the device manufacturer have plans for integrating network services like 5G and other new technologies into its product roadmap? And will the manufacturer's timelines align with the carrier's technology rollout? The last item in our checklist is this. Seek a manufacturer that offers both technical and industry expertise and can provide services to help you select, test, and deploy your mobile solution. Thanks for listening today. Check out more case studies and other interesting resources available at toughbook.com.